one of the three major unexplored regions in Japan, Valley. There's a village small elementary school. All around this area, mountain and river, beautiful nature environment, and the water quality is amazing, especially for coffee. Renovated it as a cafe, Hare to Coffee and hostel. Home roasted specialty coffee with far infrared roaster. And this is hand roaster. Dark roast is my style. Less acidic, mild and clean, but strong body. More toasty flavor like caramel aftertaste when it cools down. If you can't stand acidic coffee, this is the best choice. Now let me show you how to make a drip bag coffee. Open the package. And tear off the bag. Place a drip bag on tumbler, mag, coffee server, whatever you like. Set the temperature of hot water to 80 to 85 degrees Celsius. This is my setting for dark roasted coffee. Begin pouring water slowly, about 20 seconds. And wait for another 20 seconds to get nice steam for coffee beans. Another pouring, little by little, draw 5 circles. Little bit more water amount than first step. Six to 7 circles like this. And wait for about 10 seconds. Now this is final step. More 7 circles, stronger than previous. And it's ready. My recommendation is brew 150 grams and should take about 2 minutes to drip. Alright, don't forget to shake the server slowly when it's finished. Stay home for now. Have a good coffee days.